Yo, my trade just ended, y'all. I was in the trade for GU 3788. It just went at 3793. It's gonna be a real pretty quick video. Y'all remember last time I hit 1200. I have made a couple of trades before that. Market position settled. It's settling out. It already settled out pretty much, but counts at 1500. Um, Made over $1,000 in the past week. So this first trading day of the week. I got one trade out the way. I'm at 1500. Remember, this account started at 540 bucks on the 23rd of February. So a live simulation is still going pretty well, still alive and kicking. So that was a good trade. Very good trade. This trade is still possible can get into. I'm making another trade on the buy right now because it's more likely it's gonna move up to 3,800. That's where the market wants to go as of right now. We got a lower high and another lower high. So market's moving up. Market been moving up since the closing of the market last week. We had a nice strong upside movement right here. A weak downside movement. We traded about 50%. Came back up. Went to the price again. 3806 again. It broke here, but it went back up to it. Came up. As you can see, the market's still moving. So I might make another entry here on another binary and see what the results are. Right now, this is just a minor pullback of the candle. This candle's gonna move up, but my entry was here earlier on this earlier trade right here. I caught it at the last, probably like 30 minutes left in the hour on the trade. I got in here at 37.88, and this candle moved all the way up, and that's why I caught the victory at. But I'm not gonna make this long. Y'all caught the tail end of the trade, so I'll let you check it out.